So first, once you get the package, you will get the main printer and the levander and the blank, the loading holder, and 3 different sides of the unwinder levander fixed parts and spare parts box. And also you can get this unwinder, and you need to prepare the label paper. So once you get the printer, the package, you will also get the spare parts for our focus. So the first is the rolling block pieces parts for different sizes of paper, rolling paper, and the blank, the label material take up, hold pull, and screwdriver for installed printer, and the spare parts box. So once we get the parts, first you will get the static. You will get the static ring to wear on your hand to release the static electricity. And the printer head install parts. So once the printer head get a problem, you need to send it back. You need to install this material. You need to install this metal on the cap station to send it back. So this is for backup. And another 2 different sides of the different size roller. This one is for 20 millimeter diameter. And this one is for 40 millimeter for diameter, for different rolling size of the material. And the static power detect force, and the air sub-tank to release the air of the ink supply system. And the field, ink field for the ink supply system. The pump for the ink supply system. And some rubber material to tape on the parts to hold the rolling label. And some connectors of the ink supply system. This is the air pump, not the ink pump, the air pump of the ink supply system. And the dongle for barcode printing. If the printer you bought is without barcode system, so we are not need to use this one. And the USB flash insert with installation video, online tutorial, and control software. So once you get the printer, you need to check if have information file inside USB. And the power cable of the printer, and injection for testing the print head, and the clean tissue, fabric tissue for clean the print head for maintenance job. So these all the spare parts you will get go with the print together. Thank you.